Welcome to Easy Pie. Today we will do some TSI mathematics practice questions. Let's start. 2x plus 10 equals 6x. First, we solve for x. We subtract both sides by 2x. On the left side, we have 2x minus 2x equals 0x. It means 0. And it's left with 10 on the left side, and then on the right side, we have 6x minus 2x is 4x. Then we divide both sides by 4, so we can isolate x on the right side, and we simplify the 10 over 4 equals 5 over 2. Because 10 is equal 5 times 2, and 4 equal 2 times 2. And x equals 5 over 2. But the questions ask for what is 12x? So we multiply 12 to 5 over 2. And that should be 2 times 6 times 5 over 2 equals 6 times 5 over 1, or equal 30. The answer is C. Next questions. To find x-intercept, we set y equals 0. And in these questions, our y equals 4, x plus 2 times x minus 1. That equals 0. Now we divide both sides by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 multiplied with anything is just the thing we multiply with 1. So it will be x plus 2 and x minus 1. On the right side, we have 0 divided by 4 is 0. Just remember that we have a factor a multiply factor b equals 0. It will be a equals 0 or b equals 0. And we solve for that. So similar to this, we will have x plus 2 equals 0, or we will have x minus 1 equals 0. So x plus 2 equals 0. We subtract both sides by 2. So we isolate x on the left side. We have x on the left side. The right side will be negative 2. For x minus 1 equals 0, we plus both sides by 1. This will be x on the left side and then 1 on the right side, and that is our answer. X equal 1 and x equal negative 2. Next questions. So we have number multiplied with the number. So right here we have negative 2. We want to multiply with negative 3. And then we multiply m cubed to m to the power of 4. Multiply n cubed to n. And in this case, n by itself is n to the power of 1. So this one equal to negative 2 times negative 3 is 6. Because we have to remember the rule, negative number multiplied by negative number will equal positive. Also, if we have a to the power of m times a to the power of n, that will be equal a to the power of m plus n. Apply to this, we have m to the power of 3 plus 4 multiplied by n to the power of 3 plus 1. And simplify it, we have 6 times m to the power of 7 times n to the power of 4. And it should be C. 6m to the power of 7 and to the power of 4. Question 4. We have 12 x to the power of 6, y to the power of 4, and then we divide by 2x, y. So we take the number divide by the number, the same variable divide by the same variable. So we have x and y as variable in this case. And then remember that if we have a to the power of m over a to the power of n, it's the same thing as we have a to the power of m minus n. So this equals 12 divided by 2 is 6. And we have x to the power of 6, subtract 1. Since x itself is x to the power of 1 and y itself is y to the power of 1. So y to the power of 4 minus 1. Simplify this, we have 6 x to the power of 5 and y to the power of 3. This should be 8 is the answer. Question 5. Solve for x. So we have x squared minus 36 equal 0. Let's review on a formula is a squared minus b squared equals 0 is equal a minus b times a plus b. It looks like our question, so we will change this one into x squared minus 6 squared. 6 squared is 36 equals 0. So our a in this case equal x and b is equal 6. Apply that, we will have x minus 6 times x plus 6 equal 0. In previous questions, we said that if we have factor a multiply factor b equals 0, is a equals 0 or b equals 0. So we solve for x by set each factor equals 0. So we have x minus 6 equals 0 and our x plus 6 equals 0. X minus 6 equals 0, we add both sides by 6. So we isolate x on the left side equals 6. Similarly, x plus 6 equals 0, we subtract both sides by 6. So that we isolate x on the left side and is equal negative 6. So the answer is x equals 6 or x equal negative 6. And the answer is B. That's all for today. Thank you for reviewing with me. If you have any questions, please type your questions in the comment box below this video. See you next time.